Okay, so welcome back. Let's talk about the market. So the question is, are you freaking buying something? You're sitting on the side, or you waiting for the Bitcoin to hit $100,000 before you pull the trigger to buy something? So let's go, let's dig in up, and I'll tell you at the end of the video what is the best tool I'm using to find a low crypto market cap gems. Because the question right now is what to do. Do we need to buy? Do we need to wait? How long we need to wait before we buy? And do you know what's the biggest issue? When the market goes up, everybody's saying, Phil, what to buy, what to buy? Now is the time to do your own research. Now is the time to do all your due diligence and to check what is the good tokens. And I'll give you a lot of example when the tokens are all-time low and they are amazing tokens right now. Okay, so before we go anywhere, write down in the comment section and tell me what are your top 1, 2, 3 picks to get right now, to buy right now. And again, nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research. Make sure you never ever put more money you can afford to lose, because this is crypto and you can lose everything. So this is some of the golden rules, and thank you for everybody who is doing some donations. I'm helping the poor people in the world. In the videos, it's called More You Give, More You Receive. Make sure you watch them, okay? Make sure you subscribe, like, and let's go and let's dig it up. I'm doing a lot of videos for crypto nodes and also how to make a passive income by yield farming or buying crypto nodes. By the way, Lumia nodes, they sold over 10,000 nodes. That is crazy. So, but if you go for the market cap, what we like to do, I'm teaching everybody, okay? You must have bull market portfolio. So this is you buy and hold, and DeFi portfolio where you use this money to make passive income. I'm doing that with yield farming, and also I'm doing that with crypto nodes. And I just got my first real miner, and I start mining Ethereum Classic, Zilliqa, and also Octa from today. Video to follow in the next 48 hours. So let's go and let's zoom out. If you go one of the good tokens right now, Near Protocol, also wait for the next couple of minutes and I'll tell you my best tool, how I'm using to buy low crypto market cap gems. Now, Near Protocol, if you zoom out, Near Protocol is right now 75% down from all-time high, and that's crazy. 75%. So we're talking about Near Protocol is a good established blue chip token. We're expecting this to hit at least 8, 9, 10x from this price. So this is one of my top tokens, and I need to load up a little bit more. And if you zoom out right here, you will see again, look the line right now. Top down was down around $1, but now it's already $5. But still, I think it's a very good buying opportunity. It was just $8 just a month, 2 months ago. Now, if you go, let's say Render, if you go and see Render was all the way down to about 150, blow up all the way up to around $11-12, and now it's down 56% from all-time high. And also, that's just happened just around 2-3 months ago. Render is also a great token for me. Again, do your research. Sui, let's pick up Sui. If you go to max out, Sui top up around $2 to something, and now it's 70 cents. Okay, so Sui is around 66% down from all-time high, and I believe this is a good token. So that's the point. You can DCA, or you can just wait and see the price going up, or maybe the price can go down. But the main stuff what I'm doing is I'm DCA. I'm not waiting to see if this is going to go down to 50 cents. I'm just DCA, and then I'm going to bring my buying price low down. Now, Celestia Tia, I need to get from this one a little bit more because if you see here, all-time high of the price was around $21, and I was buying around $14 to be honest, and now it's down to $74. So definitely I need to buy at least some of these tokens so I can bring my average price down to around at least $9-10 or maybe $8. So it depends how much I'm going to buy. So this is also good tokens. Color AI, look at that boy, blow up all the way from around 0.025 all the way up to 41 cents, and now we're looking retracement back of 81%, and that is crazy. Again, go and check them out, see what they're doing, if they are good or not, if they're still working on the product what they say, and maybe this can be a very good buying opportunity. I'm trying to say this price right here is the same like we buying in around November last year. If you go and let's say Shrapnel, one of the gaming tokens, what is highly recommended by few people, especially by great admin, and you will see it's all-time low right now, 0.05 cents, and that is crazy. These guys are building, okay? Look at that, 87% down from all-time high. That is crazy low. I did DCA a little bit last week, but I believe I'll buy a little bit more because my price is around 0.001 or maybe 0.012 cents. Okay, 0.12 cents. So double than this is my buying price. Okay, that's crazy. Look how low it is. Lithium, one of my favorite. I didn't buy when it was a nice dip right here. Look, it's blow up all the way to around 386. Now it's around $2, only 50% down, but it was $1 just 1-2 weeks ago, and I didn't buy anything. I was just going to buy, and look what's happened, blow up because they had some major news. This is the next Kaspa, what everybody's saying. Okay, one of them I want to mention also, Jasmine token. If you go and zoom out, Jasmine was all the way up to many high price and it's down 99%. However, if you just zoom out in the last year, you will see the Jasmine token is already up 700%. What is crazy, so whoever bought here, congratulations to you. I did buy some and I DCA just a couple of days ago and around 0.028 price. All right, so the tool what I'm using is called Portfolio Master. So that's the point here. Like many people ask me like, Phil, what tools, like what tokens to buy? I say, listen man, I'm not like a great research guy. I don't have the time. Do you have the time to go and do your research? No. So I'm using Portfolio Master. So Portfolio Master is like few people, like 4 people actually. I did AMA with them. This is not sponsored video, just me talking for them. And there are 4 people who doing research for like 6-8 hours, all of them, each of them, I think every day, and they doing research for tokens. They check in their AMAs, the tokenomics, and they give you full, like example for KlimaDAO, but I like that tokens, they give you like full information, like full analytics for that tokens, like supply, circulation, supply, total max, like when it's going to be unlocked and all that stuff. And then they tell you, we buying right now. This is what we bought and this is when we buy. They're only using small market cap, old and established project, no new tokens, no meme tokens, only good with strong fundamentals. And potentially many of these, their peaks, they can skyrocket at least, I think, I hope, according to me, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40x. Because the tokens, what they find them right now, they are around 10, 15, 20 million market cap. And if you see just the near protocol, the market cap, we're talking about 6 billion market cap, okay? That is crazy. And this guy, whatever they finding is around, 10, 15 million market cap. What is crazy low? So go and check them out. I will leave the link down in the description. They have the free version and also the paid version. They have around 50-60 tokens when you buy. The paid version is not expensive right now, it's still on discounts, around 30% off, I think, if you use my code, and it's like a couple $100 for 1 year. Go and check also their, I think I leave some testimonials here, and you will see here some of their best performance like Indels, XCS, LCX, Credify, Clore AI, okay, and they will tell you when they buy and also when they taking profits, because they have a great strategy, what they doing, when they buying, when they selling, and everything what they need to do. I'm going to meet this team in Singapore in just a month time, to be honest, in September actually. In around 2 months time, maybe 6 weeks from now, and then I'm going to maybe live interview them, so that will be amazing. There we go, you can see 30% discount on 1 year, and that's only around $300 for 1 year. I think definitely is worth it. Or just get a lifetime. Oh, there we go, that's me by the way. Or you can see get a lifetime and you will see it's an amazing discount, and I think definitely it's worth it because they always bringing some new tokens. And also the very sad stuff is nobody buying tokens right now when the market is red, everybody buying when the market is green. All right, that's about it from me. Thank you so much. God bless all of you. Let me know down in the comment section what are your top picks for right now, some of the low market cap gems. Give me 1, 2, 3 tokens. I just want to see your opinion. What do you think? And again, make sure you understand, nothing here is financial advice. See you in the next one.